Hello friends, we are solving MCQs over differential equations. So in this series of lectures, we will be solving more than 50-60 examples over only differential equations. So I'm sure in the exam you will get more than 70% of examples out of this whole lecture series. So let's start with the examples. So first example is dy by dx equal to x square plus y square upon x into y. Okay, so if you observe this differential equation, it is a homogeneous differential equation. So we have very lengthy method for solving the homogeneous differential equation, but this is MCQ, so you need to solve this using shorter method. So what is the shorter method? So we know the exactness of the differential equation. So firstly we will check whether this differential equation is exact or non-exact differential equation. So firstly we will convert this to the standard form. So what is the standard form? mdx plus ndy equal to 0. Okay, so we will try and convert this to standard form. So I will write this as x square plus y square into dx minus x into y dy equal to 0. If you will observe here, this is a value for m and this is value for n. Okay, so let's check the condition for exactness. So the differential equation is exact when it is exact when this condition satisfies, when dabba m by dabba y equal to dabba n by dabba x. If this is happening, then only the differential equation is exact. So let's check what is dabba m by dabba y. Dabba m by dabba y is 2y and dabba n by dabba x is minus y. So you can clearly see dabba m by dabba y is not equal to dabba n by dabba x. So the given differential equation is what? Non-exact differential equation. Okay, so if it is non-exact differential equation, we will convert it to the exact differential equation by finding the integrating factor. Okay, now to find the integrating factor, you again need to observe what is the differential equation. Okay, we have different rules to find the integrating factor. So by observing the given differential equation, this differential equation, it is a homogeneous non-exact differential equation. So once it is homogeneous non-exact differential equation, then its integrating factor will be 1 upon mx plus ny. Okay, this should be known to you. Okay, if it is a homogeneous non-exact differential equation, then its integrating factor is 1 upon mx plus ny. So let's find out what is mx plus ny. Okay, so what is m? What is m? M is x square plus y square into x plus ny. Ny is minus xy into y. Okay, let's solve this. This will be x cube plus xy square minus xy square. Okay, these two terms will get cancelled. So what remains? Only x cube. Okay, therefore its integrating factor is what? 1 upon mx plus ny is equal to 1 upon x cube. So this is your integrating factor. So once you get the integrating factor, multiply this equation by the integrating factor, so that the given equation, the given differential equation will become exact differential equation. Okay, so what we have this differential equation x square plus y square dx minus xy into dy equal to 0. So multiply this differential equation by its integrating factor. So this is now exact differential equation. So let's solve this. This will be 1 by x plus y square by x cube into dx minus xy by x cube dy. Okay, if you check for exactness, then what will happen? This dabba m by dabba y will be 2y upon x cube and dabba n by dabba x. Okay, this x cancel with this x cube. Okay, again this will be 2y by x cube. So this is now exact differential equation. Okay, so once it is exact, this is exact differential equation. We will write it again. So our exact differential equation 1 by x plus y square by x cube dx minus y upon x square dy equal to 0. Now this is exact differential equation. So once it is exact differential equation, now we will write some note here. Okay, if m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact differential equation, then its solution is given by, solution will be integration m dx plus integration terms in n not containing x into dy equal to constant. So this is our solution. If this differential equation is exact, then this will be the solution. Now we proved this is exact differential equation, therefore its solution will be integration m, the value for m is 1 by x plus y square by x cube into dx plus integration terms in n, this is our n, the terms in n which does not contain x term should not be there. Okay, so there is only one term which contains x, so this value will be 0 is equal to constant. So let's solve this. Integration of this will be log x plus y square, this will be x raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 equal to constant. So again this will be log x minus y square upon 2x square equal to constant. So this should be your solution. Okay, so let's check out the options. Okay, so if you will observe here, you will see this is the familiar option. Okay, so option C is correct. Okay, so we'll see the next question. So next question is, find the solution of the differential equation y sec square x plus y plus 7 tan x dy by dx equal to 0. Okay, so this is given differential equation, we need to find its solution. Okay, so I can clearly see the terms of x and terms of y's are separate, so we can convert this to the variable separable form. Okay, variable separable form. So what is variable separable form? That I have explained already in the previous video. If you want, you can check the previous video. Okay, so we will try and convert this to variable separable form. So firstly, multiply this whole equation by dx. So what you will get? Y into sec square x dx plus y plus 7 tan x into dy equal to 0. Okay, now to convert this to the variable separable form, what you need? The coefficient of dx. Where is dx? Here. The coefficient of dx should contain only x terms. Okay, you will see here this y is extra, and the coefficient of dy should contain only y's terms. Now this tan x is extra, so let's divide equation by extra terms, multiplication of extra terms, that is y into tan x. Okay, so what you will get? This will be sec square x upon tan x, okay, into dx plus y plus 7 upon y into dy equal to 0. Now this is our differential equation in variable separable form. Okay, so once it is in variable separable form, we can find its solution. How? By integrating. Okay, this is integration sec square x upon tan x dx plus integration, this will be 1 plus 7 by y dy equal to constant. So you will get the integration of sec square x upon tan x is what? Log of tan x is equal to plus integration of 1 is with respect to y is y, 7 integration of 1 by y with respect to y is log y equal to c. If you will observe this answer into the option, okay, what can you see? I think option number A is right. Yes, okay, fine. Next one. Now next question is the general solution of the exact differential equation. Okay, now it is clearly given that the differential equation is exact. Okay, so x plus 2y minus 2 dx plus 2x minus y plus 3 dy equal to 0. What they are saying, this is exact differential equation. Okay, exact means what? It is already satisfying the condition. What condition? DA by m by dA by y equal to dA by n by dA by x. So no need to check whether it is exact or not. Now once this differential equation, okay, concept should be known. Okay, what if this differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is exact? If this is exact, then its solution will be integration m dx plus integration terms in n, okay, which is free from x or not containing x, free from x, okay, into dy equal to constant. Okay, so what is m here? M is x plus 2y minus 2, and what is n? 2x minus y plus 3. Therefore our solution will be, okay, integration complete m x plus 2y minus 2 dx plus terms in n not containing x. So what are the terms? Only minus y plus 3 dy equal to constant. Okay, so finally we can integrate. First this is to integrate with respect to x, and this is to integrate with respect to y. Okay, so integration of x will be x square by 2, integration of plus 2y with respect to x will be 2xy, integration of minus 2 with respect to x will be minus 2x, integration of this minus y with respect to y will be minus y square by 2, and integration of 3 with respect to y will be 3y equal to constant. So multiply this whole equation by 2. So what you will get? X square plus 4xy minus 4x minus y square plus 6y equal to 2c, which is another constant, c dash. If you will see this solution into the option, okay, you can observe here, this is x square 4xy minus 4x minus y square plus 6y equal to constant. So option B is right. Okay, so let's see the next example. The next example is what? Integrating factor of differential equation. Okay, we need to find the integrating factor. Okay, so first write down the question. X square minus 3xy plus 2y square dx plus 3x square minus 2xy dy equal to 0. This is our question. So what they are saying, if this is homogeneous, this given differential equation is what? Homogeneous. Now we have already solved one example over homogeneous non-exact differential equation. Okay, so firstly we need to find the integrating factor. What is concept? Concept is what? If m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is what? Non-exact differential equation, then, okay, its integrating factor will be 1 upon mx plus ny. Okay, so let's find out what is mx, okay, plus ny. Okay, so what is m? X square minus 3xy plus 2y square into x plus n. N is 3x square minus 2xy into y. Solve this. This will be x cube minus 3x square y plus 2xy square. This will be plus 3x square y minus 2xy square. If you will observe this, okay, minus 3x square y plus 3x square y plus 2xy square minus 2xy square cancel. So what remains? Only x cube. Therefore integrating factor will be 1 upon mx plus ny, which is what? 1 upon x cube. So if you will observe these options, option B is right. Okay, next question. Now question is, if the integrating factor of the differential equation is given, then its general solution is. Okay, so let's first write down what is the differential equation. Okay, so differential equation is x raised to 7 y square plus 3y dx plus 3x raised to 8 y minus x dy equal to 0. What they are saying? Its integrating factor is y upon x raised to 7. Okay, so once you know what is the integrating factor of this differential equation, what we do, we just multiply this whole differential equation by the integrating factor. So multiply this by y upon x raised to 7. Okay, so what will happen? This will be x raised to 7 y square plus 3y. Okay, multiply with the y also. Okay, so this will be y into y square will be y cube, y into y will be y square upon x raised to 7 into dx. Okay, then in this case this will be 3x raised to 8 y square minus x y upon x raised to 7 dy equal to 0. Now this has become exact differential equation. Okay, so let's simplify it. Okay, this will be y cube plus 3 y square by x raised to 7 dx plus this will be 3 x y square minus y upon x raised to 6 dy equal to 0. Okay, now this is exact differential equation. We can check if you want. Okay, otherwise it is clearly the exact differential equation. Okay, so let's check it for the exact differential equation first. Okay, what will be dabba m by dabba y? Okay, this will be 6y upon x raised to 7. This will be dabba n by dabba x. Okay, plus 3y square plus 3y square. Okay, dabba n by dabba x, this will be 3y square and plus 6y upon x raised to 7. So clearly this differential equation is exact differential equation. Now once it is exact differential equation, what we do, we take what, m as it is. What is m? Y cube plus 3y square upon x raised to 7. Okay, dx plus integration terms in n not containing x, means the terms in n not containing x. So there is no term, so this will be 0 equal to constant. Take an integration. By integration, what you will get? Integration, its integration with respect to x. X into y cube plus 3y square. Integration of x raised to minus 7 is what? X raised to minus 7 integration is x raised to minus 6 upon minus 6 is equal to constant. If you will observe this, this will be x y cube. This will be minus y square by 2 x raised to 6 is equal to constant. If you will see here, option C is clearly there. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, we will see the next question. Now next question is of the differential equation m dx plus n dy. This is the given differential equation, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Given differential equation is not exact. Okay, this is what? This is non-exact differential equation. Non-exact. Then if this is happening, okay, what if dabba m by dabba y minus dabba n by dabba x upon n, if this is f of x, means only the function of x, then what will be its integrating factor? So this is a theoretical part. Its integrating factor will be e raised to integration f of x dx. You can see the option number 1 is right. Okay, next question. Okay, now integrating factor of the differential equation. Now see the differential equation, x y square minus e raised to 1 by x cube dx minus x square y dy equal to 0. Okay, so what is the integrating factor of this differential equation? Okay, now as they have asked integrating factor, means clearly it is non-exact differential. Let m equal to xy square minus e raised to 1 by x cube and n equal to minus x square. So find out derivative of m with respect to y, which is 2xy, derivative of n with respect to x, which is minus 2xy. So clearly these two values are not equal, implies this given differential equation is non-exact differential equation. Okay, so we'll go for rule number 1. Okay, so let's find out this ratio. Dabba m by dabba y minus dabba n by dabba x upon n, which is 2xy minus 2xy upon minus x square y, which is 4xy upon minus x square y, which is minus 4 by x. So which is function of x alone. Therefore the integrating factor will be e raised to integration minus 4 by x dx. So this implies this will be e raised to minus 4 log x, which is e raised to log of x raised to minus 4, which implies x raised to minus 4, that is equal to 1 by x raised to 4. So option number 1 is right. Okay, let's see the next question. To find the integrating factor again of the given differential equation. So firstly we will write the given differential equation. Okay, 1 minus xy x dy. Now clearly the given differential equation is what? Non-homogeneous differential equation. So rule number 1 get eliminated. So we'll see for rule number 2. So what is rule number 2? To find the integrating factor, if m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is non-exact differential equation, and if it is in the form, this is important, which form? If it is in the form of y into function of x into y plus x into function of x into y dy equal to 0, here it is dx. Okay, what it means? If you'll see, y and dx are there, okay, and function of product of x into y, those terms should be there, then only you can apply this rule, and its integrating factor only will be 1 upon mx minus ny. So let's find out what is mx minus ny. So by given example, what is m? M is y plus x into y square into x minus n. N is x minus x square y into y. So this is equal to xy plus x square y square minus xy plus x square y square, which is equal to 2 x square y square. Okay, therefore its integrating factor will be 1 upon mx minus ny, which is 1 upon 2 x square y square. So option A is the right answer. So this ends today's video. So for more videos like this, you need to like, share and subscribe my channel, okay, to get the more videos. Thank you so much.